In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable picture-in-picture mode on your iPhone 17 Pro Max. As you can see, now I'm playing my YouTube and using and open and using another apps. Okay, so let's go to how can easily set up this. So simply just open your settings, scroll down, press on general, scroll down. As you can see, showing you to picture in picture mode. Make sure to turn on this option. Okay, now turn on this option and open YouTube and let's play any video. Okay, and just swipe this angle. Okay, as you can see, now play this. Or if you want to just swipe down to up, then it's close. Okay, so when I'm swipe down to up, then it's close, and just swipe this angle, then showing it to picture in picture mode. That's it.